Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam. Alright, so something really interesting happened within the past 24 hours. I think that was about 7 hours ago. J.K. Rowling made a tweet about Bitcoin. Now, first of all, for someone like J.K. Rowling to make a post about Bitcoin, that's a huge plus to Bitcoin. That means Bitcoin is actually getting the attention of these big guys, right? So, just in case you don't know about the news, you can actually check this article right here. It's not an article; it's just a list, a compilation of the whole talk that happened between J.K. Rowling and some important guys in the crypto space, and also in this write up, Elon Musk actually revealed how much Bitcoin he has, and that's about 0. Yeah, this is it right here. Elon Musk owns 0.25 Bitcoin. He tweeted this. He said, pretty much, although okay, that's something else. I still own I still only own 0.25 Bitcoin, by the way. That's pretty huge. That's just to let you know that hey, some big guys in this space know what's up about Bitcoin, and what they normally do is talk it down when the price goes down. They buy the dip. Don't fall for that, guys. If you're holding your Bitcoin, please hold it. Now, in another news, Vitalik Buterin talks about EOS one more time. Now, just in case you don't know what EOS is actually is it a competitor? I see EOS and Ethereum like maybe the Microsoft and Apple of our day, because I usually tell people we don't have to see Ethereum dead for EOS to succeed, and EOS doesn't need to die for Ethereum to succeed. I did a video recently about Ethereum and EOS and how they work. And EOS currently is super fast, and Ethereum is working on becoming fast. Previously, EOS has been criticized for having governance issues, and of course, Vitalik is a very smart guy, is trying to be biased. No, no, not biased, non-biased, being on the fence, you know, chipping in one of the good things about EOS. But EOS is actually one of my favorite blockchain projects because it's super fast and it has human readable addresses. You can send cryptocurrency to human readable addresses, and they get your cryptocurrency in less than a second, right? Okay. Also in the news, OKX exec calls Binance's coin market cap ranking shameless. Just in case you don't know what happened recently, Binance recently acquired CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is actually the most popular crypto listing. Is it okay if I call it listing? CoinMarketCap is actually the home for checking the prices of crypto. Let me not put it that way, right? And it was sold to Binance, and right now these guys are actually bending the rules to fit what they want, right? As you can see, OKX chief strategy officer Al Sazu called out crypto data site CoinMarketCap, or CMC, for its recent exchange ranking rationale, proclaiming the platform dead, right? Which is CoinMarketCap. He went on to say, fairness and justice, I'm quoting, fairness and justice are the basis of all rankings. Zhu said in a May 15th post on China's microblogging site Weibo, CMC is dead, which is CoinMarketCap is dead, and we mourn together tonight. Now, why is this possible? That's what I tell people. It's really important to have money. So because CZ has the funds, right, to acquire any company he wants to acquire in the crypto space, he's definitely going to acquire the ones that will actually benefit or whatever he's doing. But that's just a game. That's just a game. Whoever has the money can actually just bend the rules to suit whatever they want. But who knows? Maybe Binance or CZ has a good reason for doing this. But with time, we're going to know, right? In a quote, this ranking is currently heavily biased towards web traffic, not 100% accurate, but better than before. We'll continue to iterate. Now, why is this so? Because why Binance, many people believe that Binance had to do this because they have, of course, Binance is actually the most used cryptocurrency exchange in the world, right? But let's see how it goes. Right, so in another news, another exchange, the list Monero amid ongoing sex scandal. Just in case you don't know what Monero is a privacy coin. There are different types of privacy coin, and Monero is one of them. What privacy coin means is that if you have Monero or you make transactions with Monero, you cannot be easily tracked, and I think you cannot be tracked at all. It takes it's really going to be difficult for someone to track what you're doing, the kind of transaction you're doing. And if you're in my investors group, I have a private investors group. I usually tell my guys, buy private currency like Ether, like Monero and Veg. There are different types. Now, why are privacy coins really attractive? Here's the reason. You and I know that there are a lot of bad guys in the world. People always want to do evil things. Either pay for illegal things, and one of the easiest way to do that is with private cryptocurrencies like Monero. And people use it for sex scandals, to pay for illegal stuff. And because Monero is not a stable coin, the more people try to hide their money and the transaction in Monero, the more the prices goes up. In every bull run, you will always see almost all privacy coins shoot up, and privacy coins have usually also have issues with being stable on a good or government regulated cryptocurrency. Why? Because people usually use privacy coins for evil stuff. Right. So cryptocurrency exchange Bitsum officially announced that they will be delisting Monero from their trading platform as of June 1. According to a local deal outlet Newsway, Bitsum delisting auditory board decided to permanently remove the coin after it was provisionally delisted in April. So this is the news right here. We are conducting a technical review related to securing traceability through ongoing discussions with each foundation on virtual assets with similar characteristics other than Monero. Similar characteristics includes stuff like it's Monero not being tradable, and that's a problem. That's one of the challenges that privacy coins face. They get delisted because people use it for a lot of nonsense things online. And anyways, moving on. Italian government commits 15 million pounds to protect made in Italy, with blockchain. Now, to combat counterfeit goods, the Italian government has allocated 15 million pounds to develop and implement blockchain and other tech-based solutions. Guys, like I told you, this is going to be the trend for the next couple of years. And these guys will either be building on Ethereum, EOS, or any other blockchain, right? We will see big and massive companies move their operations, their transactions, whether it's monetary transactions or other operations, to the blockchain. It's going to be the trend. So what does this mean for you as an average investor, or maybe a small investor, whichever size you are? Start buying the ones you can buy. Of course, this is not a financial advice. If you want to really know, okay, how to manage your portfolio, before the next bull run, just reach out to me. My WhatsApp number is in the description, and we can talk, and I can help you, let you know, okay, this is where the big companies are looking at, and this is where you should look at putting some funds into. All right, guys, do make sure you check out this the compilation of all the tweets that has to do with J.K. Rowling. They are pretty funny, guys, and these are all the tweets, so you can check them out, right? So that's what I have for you today. Please do make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video. All right, see ya.